What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here. Now, before we get started, if you're watching this video, chances are you're not subscribed, because 99% of you are not subscribed, and that's a pretty bad number. So if you like this one, be sure to click on that sub or thanks button below. Alright, this is another mailer package, so it's nice and easy to open. Let's see what we got. We're going to open it on up, and... ooh, this is another drop from NewQ. I always love NewQ stuff because, well, they make Steam Deck stuff, and I'm a sucker for Steam Deck stuff. I love my Steam Deck. I take it every time I go anywhere, basically, and these accessories really help. They recently sent over a massive battery bank that snaps onto the back, and that was super useful for my recent trip to Connecticut. So yeah, let's see what's in this one. We're gonna go ahead and attempt to pull this out. Here we go. It's all one piece inside here. That's interesting. So we'll open this. This flap has to open. There we go. We have the instruction manual. So this is a 4-in-1 Steam Deck dock. And let's go ahead and pull this out. And yeah, you can see here that you simply plug this into the top of your Steam Deck and then snap it on. Might not look like there's much here, but if you look at the top, there's actually USB-C, HDMI out, and 2 USB ports, which is very cool. It's essentially adding a dock in a very slim and low profile right to your Steam Deck. And then if we open this up in the back, we actually have a stand as well, so that you can have your Steam Deck standing on its own, just like it would in a dock, and access to stream it to your TV or monitor or whatever that happens to be. Very cool. Shout out to NewQ for sending this over. I'll definitely be using this quite a bit. But yeah, that's it for this one. Thank you so much to all the sponsors, and thank you so much for watching. We'll have some more in-depth videos, unboxings on this channel, and reviews on the new Tech Savvy Reviews channel. So I'll see you there. Have a good one.